Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Let's see our project title. This is our project title, Raw Wine Data Preprocessing, a Data Mining Approach. Let's see our abstract of the project. This is our flow diagram of our project. In our project, in the first module, the raw wine data are stored in the database. Then the database of raw wine data has been classified as 6 categories. The names of the 6 categories are valid data, missing data, constant data, unnatural data, exceeding data, and irrational data. So the 6 categories of values are given to the input for the constant data processing. Here the constant data processing module, all the data has been values are filtered. The constant data values has been same turbine speed and the power protection. Then the filtered constant data processing, then the output of the constant data processing is given to the input for the missing data processing. In the missing data processing module, all the missing data are filtered out. Then the missing data means that given to the physical range check. So in the physical range check module, the unnatural data and the exceeding data has been predicted. The unnatural data means if the turbine speed is not present, then the power production value has been present. These type of values are said to be unnatural data. This kind of data has been replaced in the physical range check. Also the exceeding data. The exceeding data means if the data of the power production of the turbine, exceeding data means the power production of the data is higher than the speed of the wind power. It is irrational to the data values. This kind of values has been called as exceeding data. Then the output of the irrational and unnatural data has been saved as a filtered data. The filtered data are said to be as valid data. This is the output of the process. So this is all about the overall flow diagram. Let's see our execution of our project. This is our project. Here we import the data set. So we have to import the raw wine data set. So now this is our raw wine database. So just import these existing data sets into the project. So now our data set has been successfully imported. This is our file name of our data set. So our file name is rawwine-database.xls, and this is our path of the data set. So this is our extension of our data set. This is the size of our data set. So now we have to import our data sets into our project. Let's click on the view. Then our data set has been imported. So now the data has been imported into our project. This is the data, and this is the turbine cutting speed of the values. This is our turbine cutout speed values, and this is the wind speed, and this is wind power. So now all the turbine cutting speed, turbine cutout speed, wind speed, and wind power values are with respect to the dates. So these are our overall data sets. So every daytime period, the data set has been imported as a remote server. So this is our constant data prediction. The constant data means data with the constant wind speed and the constant wind power values. Now click on the view all. So this is our constant data. So the data has been constant bind speed and the constant bind power. Now we have been the constant data has been filtered out the constant speed and the constant bind powers. How to use the monitoring the with respect to the month values. So now click in view. Now the data has been the corresponding constant data value has been viewed by the 6/1/2015 to 10/31. So now the missing data values has been predicted. So click on so this is our exceeding data process. So now clicking the exceeding data, this is our exceeding data values. The exceeding data means the data with the speed or wind values are exceeding the physical limits are called exceeding data. This is the data and turbine speed and cutout speed and wind speeds. The wind power values are exceeding the wind speed values. These kind of values has been set to as exceeding data values. So this is our irrational data filtering process. So the irrational data means data with valid wind speed and the wind power, but in the illogical in the physics. So data with the wind speed and wind power, that has been illogical in the physics. The wind speed has been values are 0, but the wind power has been produced. Without the wind speed, the wind power cannot be produced. But in the terms, without the wind speed, the wind power has been produced. This is called the illogical data values. These kind of illogical data values are called as irrational data. And finally, we have to predict the unnatural data. So unnatural data means data with low wind power and output at the high wind power speed. So these are the unnatural data. So unnatural data means the wind speed has the low values and wind power has the high wind speed. So the wind speed and the wind power has been higher values than the valid data. The valid data has been the data with normal wind speed and the wind power has been called as a valid data. So valid data, these are the valid data. So the wind speed and the wind power has been normal. The wind speed and the wind power has been normal values. These kind of values are called as valid data values. This is our comparison chart for loading raw wind data and proposed wind data. So the raw wind data has been loaded. So this is our raw wind data set. In the raw wind data, the valid data has been, this is our missing data, and this is our constant data values, and the additional data, and the exceeding and unnatural data. This chart represents the raw wind data. This chart represents the raw wind data before the filtration process. After the filtration process, the preprocessed wind data has been only contains the valid data values. So that compares the raw wind dynamics. So this is our comparison of raw wind database. In the comparison of the raw wind database, we can compare the height date. So from the data of the 6/1/2015 to 8/20/2015 data values, the raw and data values has been certain kind of valid and missing, constant, addition, exceeding and unnatural data values. So we have to use another name from data values. So this is a from date to another date has been compared by the data values. Now we have to generate the report. We have to generate a report as the report has been generated. This is our report. So raw and data processing. So before pre-processing, these values are text. So valid data, missing data, constant data, narration, exit. This kind of 6 valid values are before the pre-processing. After the pre-processing, you have to connect only the valid data. So this is our report. Thank you. Thank you.